So how to make own WhatsApp sticker on your iPhone? Open WhatsApp, then open any person chat option, then you can see the sticker option. Press on this icon, then you can see the create. You have to press on create. Now you have to select an image that you want to make a sticker. Suppose I am selecting this one. Then you can add a text like love. You can drag and drop this section anywhere, and also you can also add sticker from existing like that, and you can also colorize. And once done, you have to press on this icon, then your sticker will shown here. Now you can send it to a friend. So it's simple. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.